उसकी प्राइस जो है वो कम देगा, लेस प्राइस देगा।
जी जी, बिल्कुल ऐसा ही होता है।
Yeah. So digital gold is nothing like that. And why company generating this much profit? Because of our mining. Mining is kind of auction, kind of bidding. Due to the mining, company get on their product high value and high demand on the gold market. Okay, so
Mm,
that is the only reason. Like if company have one product, okay,
mm,
that can be sold out at the price of, for example, okay, for price of 1,000 rupees. Okay,
mm,
but due to our mining, if we do mining, then that product will be sold out at the price of 2,000 rupees.
mm,
And right, we are getting 3,000 minimum profit on this. How possible? It's just because company is worldwide. It's
mm.
based in Canada. They have USD, not INR. If you convert the money one USDT into INR, so you will found this is just small money, sir.
हम्म। हाँ,
Like only
मैंने वेबसाइट खोल रखी है, इसमें कांटेक्ट अक्स में मैं देख रहा हूँ तो नॉर्थन अमेरिका बता रहा है ये तो। हम्म,
company have lot of branches only in Canada 448 physical store. I said ना मैंने अभी बोला worldwide है but
हम्म,
main hub is based from origin is Canada sir. This is a
हम्म।
brand of Canada, Toronto.
अच्छा।
Yes.
हाँ मैडम, मुझे
Okay.
इन्वेस्ट करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मैं कर पाऊंगा।
That is totally your decision, sir.
हम्म,
You want to. It is not an investment. First thing, don't call investment really different thing. If you
हम्म,
invest something, from that you will get the profit step by step or slowly. You will
हम्म,
not get the investment amount returned back to you. Okay.
हम्म,
Right now you are just adding. You are buying for 40 biddings until your wallet have balance. There is no how can you process the product and how can you do the mining. Only for the mining you need to do. Company already set up your wallet. Already there is a merchant, there is a buyer, there is a product. Everything is set up by the company. You just need to do the mining. And for doing a mining, company won't mind to share you small profit. So
हम्म,
small profit sharing by you. So it's up to you. You need to use that wallet. You need to use this opportunity or not. That you need to decide. So okay, you just think. आप सोचो. ओके मुझे
हम्म,
बता देना 10-15 मिनट्स में. ओके
हम्म,
स्टिल आपको कुछ डाउट लगता है, कुछ लगता है, प्लीज लेट मी नो. ओके.
ओके।
बाकी यू डोंट नीड टू वरी. आपको डरने का बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है. ओके आई एम हियर टू गाइड यू. इट्स माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू मेक यू अर्न. एंड आपके जो वर्क है इससे भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये है मेरा. इट्स माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बट योर सेल आउट मीन्स आपका अमाउंट टेक आउट टू योर बैंक. इट्स माय प्रायोरिटी. बिकॉज आपको अमाउंट मिलेगा, आप मेरे को कंफर्मेशन दोगे चैट पे, देन आई कैन शो दैट टू माय सीनियर टू द कंपनी. देन
हम्म,
ओनली दे विल रिलीज माय कमीशन.
हम्म,
Yes, so it's good for both of us. So I am ready to guide you. I am ready to commitment to you. Okay, giving guarantee to you that definitely you will get your amount. Not even a single amount. It can
हम्म,
be go. So that I can promise you.
हम्म।
Okay.
ओके मैडम।
Okay. Okay. Let me know in 10-15 minutes. Okay. So I'll be ready with the slots and the bonus. Okay.
ओके मैडम, आई टेल यू टू 10 to 15 minutes। ओके।
Okay. No issue.
ओके। थैंक यू।